Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Why car service centers matter for your vehicle's health and safety. Keeping your car in top shape isn't just about looks, it's about safety, performance, and extending its life. Ever wondered why routine visits to car service centers make a difference? These centers aren't just repair shops, they're your vehicle's lifeline, ensuring everything runs smoothly. From routine checkups to major repairs, skilled technicians keep potential issues at bay before they turn into costly surprises. Whether it's checking your brakes, oil changes, or keeping an eye on tire wear, every service plays a part in protecting your investment. For peace of mind on the road, understanding the role of these centers is a must. Are you ready to keep your vehicle running like a dream? Understanding car service centers. When it comes to maintaining your car, service centers are essential partners on the road to reliability. Think of them as the hospitals for your vehicle. Just like you need regular checkups, so does your car. These centers aren't just places to fix problems, they're about prevention, care, and keeping your wheels turning smoothly. With a variety of centers out there, knowing which type fits your needs can make all the difference. Types of car service centers. Navigating the world of car service centers can feel like choosing between different specialists for your health needs. Each type has its own strengths and caters to specific requirements. Dealerships. These centers are directly linked with car manufacturers. If you want specialists who are trained specifically on your car model, dealerships are the way to go. They offer parts and repairs that are often under warranty and can provide the latest updates straight from the manufacturer. Independent shops. These are the family doctors of car service. They often offer more personalized service and can generally be more cost-effective than dealerships. Skilled and reliable, independent shops provide a range of services for different car brands without breaking the bank. Specialty services. When your car requires specific care, like detailing, performance enhancements, or a vintage overhaul, specialty service centers are the experts. These are the specialized surgeons of the car world, offering focused services that go beyond regular maintenance. Choosing the right service center is like picking the perfect pair of shoes. It depends on your needs, budget, and the type of care your car requires. Services offered. Now, what can you expect when you walk into these centers? It's not just about fixing what's broken, it's about keeping everything in tip-top condition. Here's a quick rundown of common services you might find. Oil changes. Like the lifeblood of your car, oil changes keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Regular changes help prevent wear and tear. Tire rotations. Ensure even wear on your tires, maintaining traction and prolonging tire life. It's like giving each tire a fair amount of road time. Brake inspections. Brakes are your car's most critical safety feature. Regular checks prevent potential failures and ensure you're stopping safely every time. Diagnostic services. Think of this as the full body scan for your car. Diagnostics can identify issues before they become problems, using technology to tap into your car's brain for insights. Using these services is like maintaining a healthy lifestyle for your car. Regular attention saves you from future headaches and hefty bills. Recognizing the importance of each service helps you make informed decisions, ensuring your car remains as dependable as your morning coffee. Importance of regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is the unsung hero of vehicle longevity. It's what keeps your car humming along like a well-oiled machine. Just like your annual doctor's checkup, regular visits to car service centers are vital. They not only ensure your car runs efficiently but also help you dodge those unexpected repair bills. Recognizing the importance of this routine can lead to a smoother, safer drive and can significantly extend your vehicle's lifespan. Preventive maintenance. Consider preventive maintenance as your car's version of an early warning system. It identifies small issues before they snowball into major headaches. Regular checkups are crucial. They're like giving your car a routine health check to prevent future problems. Prolongs vehicle life. Just as regular exercise keeps the body fit, regular maintenance ensures each part of your vehicle works in harmony. By routinely changing the oil, checking fluids, and inspecting parts, you help your car age more gracefully. Reduces costs. Catching problems early means smaller fixes, not expensive overhauls. It's like fixing a small leak before it bursts into a flood. Improves performance. When parts are clean and functioning well, your car rides smoother, uses less fuel, and performs better overall. Neglecting preventive maintenance is like ignoring a crying alarm clock. You might get by for a while, but the wake-up call is inevitable. Safety inspections. Ensuring your vehicle's safety is non-negotiable. Car service centers play a critical role by conducting safety inspections that keep your car compliant with regulations and ensure your vehicle is roadworthy. Check critical systems. Just as a pilot performs a pre-flight checklist, service centers inspect brakes, lights, and steering. This reduces risks and enhances safety for you and others on the road. Ensure compliance. Regulations are there for a reason. Service centers ensure your vehicle adheres to safety standards, dodging fines and preventing incidents. Boost peace of mind. Knowing your car has passed a safety inspection means you can hit the road with confidence, much like wearing a seatbelt for every trip. Safety inspections aren't just about ticking boxes. They're about safeguarding lives and assuring peace of mind, mile after mile. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll look at specific services that can make a big difference for your car's performance and longevity. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.